When you're managing identities in Microsoft Entra ID, user properties aren't just technical fields. They're the foundation of identity governance, access control, reporting, and automation. Whether you're onboarding new hires, assigning licenses, or enforcing conditional access, the quality and completeness of your user data plays a critical role. Let's talk about why these properties matter and how you should think about them when you create or manage users in your directory. In Identity Basics, you'll always start with core fields like display name, user principal name, UPN, and user type. These properties help you and your systems identify who the user is and how they relate to your organization. For example, the user type, member or guest, defines access permissions and policy scopes. In job information, properties like job title, department, and company name do more than just populate a user profile. These are essential for dynamic group memberships, licensing rules, reporting, and access policies. If you want to automate who gets access to what, this metadata is gold. Keeping these fields accurate saves you time and reduces manual intervention. In location and usage settings, details like usage location and preferred data location are important for regulatory compliance, especially in organizations that operate globally. They determine where your users' data resides and which services are available to them. This is critical for applying the right security policies and understanding data residency. You shouldn't ignore contact information like mobile phone, email, or street address. These fields aren't just cosmetic. They're useful for multi-factor authentication, communication workflows, and account recovery scenarios. Keeping them current can be the difference between a smooth experience and a security escalation. In regulated industries or education sectors, you might be managing minors or individuals with specific content access rules. Fields under parental controls and age group classification help you define boundaries for content access, consent policies, and tailored user experiences. This is essential for child safety and privacy compliance. Having rich and accurate user properties isn't just for aesthetics. It enables automation, consistency, and security. If you're missing critical attributes, your conditional access policies might fail, dynamic groups might exclude valid users, and your compliance reports could become unreliable. That's why during user creation, especially for member users, you must ensure these properties are populated correctly, either manually or through automated HR system integrations. So, what's your key takeaway? Treat user properties in Entra ID like structured building blocks. The better you define them, the more resilient and scalable your identity infrastructure becomes. Whether you're an identity admin or a security architect, making user data meaningful helps everything else run smoother, from policy enforcement to audit readiness.